In this makeup tutorial, we are going to go and take some moss and also scar wax and make it look like half of our face is growing some moss and the other half is not. So let's get started. Start off by going and outlining exactly where you want to go and put some of the moss on your face. I am using scar wax to create a separation for where the moss is going to go and where my normal face is just going to go and show. As you go and put on the scar wax, you need to go and make sure you blend out the edges and smooth it out. I'm using petroleum jelly to do so, and then wiping off any extra petroleum jelly at the edges. Now go and cover your eyebrow. It's probably best to go and cover it with petroleum jelly first because any of the liquid latex that you're going to go and use or any of the adhesive that you're going to use to get the moss down can and will rip out hair from your eyebrow. Now start to go and secure moss to your face. I am using two different types of moss. One is reindeer moss and the other one I don't fully and totally know. It is just an older moss that I inherited from my father. Continue to go and stick the moss down. It is usually best to go and start over where the eye is, not on the actual eyelid though, of course under and around. And keep in mind too, if you are using liquid latex, you want to do so in a very well ventilated area. At the outer edge of the scar wax, make sure to go around as well too. Try to avoid your hairline. If you do get any of the liquid latex or whatever adhesive you're using, usually petroleum jelly will break down pretty much almost all different special effects adhesives, along with also it does break down liquid latex and it's easy to get out. After your makeup is done, it should look like this. This makeup is great for maybe if you want to do like a fairy makeup or something like that, enchanted fairy moss person, but here's a closer look of what the makeup looks like. And thank you all so much for watching. I am doing 31 days of Halloween makeup, and I hope to see you at my next video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.